Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane, back with Brawl Stars. So, it's Monday night, you guys know what that means. It's time for an unreasonably late Gus Pull. So I'm gonna go through this video very quickly, because I don't have a lot of time. I just want to see how many boxes it's gonna take to get Gus here, so I should have 10 mega boxes, I'm almost 100% sure. So I'm gonna get him out of one of these. Be surprised if I got him right now, honestly. No way. Did I actually get him first try? End of the video, guys. End of the video. First try. I mean, he's just super rare, so I wasn't expecting it to be hard, but first try is just nuts. No, but that seriously was not the point of this video. The only other thing I'd like to mention is that, since I've been so busy, I haven't even had time to make a video saying that I was busy, so let it be known that I am very busy at the moment, so any streams or videos are going to be very few and far between, and that's really all I can say for now. But anyway, as you guys can see, the video is pretty much done here, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this or anything else. Also, yeah, this was the reason I was telling you guys to save your brawl boxes at the start of season. Hopefully you looked at the comments there. So we have this kid that's apparently a ghost. I can't join you right now. So if you saw the... He wants to do a jump. If you saw the video from YouTube, or not the video, but the picture they posted, apparently Spooky here. No, okay, Gus is a ghost, and his pet dog, I think, is called Spooky, or maybe it's the balloon, I'm not 100% sure. But apparently the kid is a ghost, so there's a bunch of weird lore, like if you just read the side text here. Hang out more, forgotten an abandoned train ride. Gus loves balloons. He's a master at crafting balloon animals, which he uses to pass the time. Keep himself company. It's the long forgotten abandoned train ride that makes this character so strange and mysterious. So he has the balloon animal, and he shoots his enemies with balloons. For some reason, people are saying he's really powerful right now, so I definitely recommend giving him a try if you haven't already. And of course, I'll try to leave the link to the game in the description. Anyway, again, thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Bye, guys.